So that's where I left my camera. The dungeon has Stairway to Hell. One false move will fucking fall down. And you'll be slipping in water at the bottom. That'd be the worst fucking thing. Holy fuck. There was a candy cane in that wrapper once. Oh, you're having sub pump problems. And life ain't going the way it should. Well, I'm here to fix at least one of those problems, so let's get the fuck into it. Follow me. As you can see, surrounded by broken glass and other debris, this is where my sub pump is. The water just keeps coming and coming and coming, and you can see it's not really doing its fucking job too damn well. So I'm gonna go outside and just replace the hose, and hopefully it'll just be as simple as that. As you can see, your house is not supposed to be pissing out the side of it like it's got a small, weak bladder. So we're replacing this hose, and it's gonna be, we're gonna fix its bladder pump. See, she likes to spray a lot too. She gets excited. I'm sorry, folks. Alright, well, the first fucking thing to fix your sub pumps, folks, you'll need a sub pump hose. Who would have thought? The second thing, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. Flathead, whatever you want to call it. Third thing, your trusty frying pan. And your trusty old big ass fucking sword, man. Well, you can't go wrong with a big ass sword. Somebody comes up to you, man, with a, you got this big ass sword, nobody would want to fuck with a guy with a sword this big. But anyways, you take your trusty sword from Bleach, Zangetsu or something like that, I think is what it's called. I don't know, I'm probably butchering it very badly. Now, let's get this thing fixed. First thing you want to do is make sure your hose is totally unraveled here. You don't want to get that fucker in a knot. Sort of like a slinky, but without the curl. Coils. There goes the big ass bastard sword, but I guess we'll just keep going with the fucking shit. It's freezing fucking cold out, and I don't want to be out here. And it's shooting water at me, that's always fucking nice too. Gotta love winter time and fucking ice and water. Alright, now, you want to be careful you don't cut your goddamn piping that you just placed in the way when you go fucking chop. A sun shot! Like that. Problem solved. Now let's replace it. Now this is where the frying pan comes handy. You want to be careful this thing doesn't ejaculate on you. Oh, look at that. She's a pissing. I don't know what the frying pan's for, but in fucking PUBG I know it covers your ass. Always pick it up. This is where Phillips comes into the picture. If I can figure out where he went. Philip! Where did I set that screwdriver, honestly? Okay, so after the house ejaculates, you want to chip away any excess ice sculpture. Sure, folks, it may look cool, but when it's flooding your fucking basement, you don't like it. Plain and simple. Alright, folks, now, you want to be quick, because you got a time limit. Because I didn't decide to shut off the sub pump, because I don't want my house to completely flood. Oh, here it comes again. You gotta step back, watch that shit. Be careful you don't get wet. Jesus squirters, folks. Oh, there you go. You just loosen it lightly with the, once you find your Phillips screwdriver. There you go. She's frozen on solid. But I got it off anyway, folks. It's the kind of shit we do here up in Canada. I got the pressure, boy. We got that shit on. Attach it to the shaft. There you go. As you can see, it's already doing its job. You always remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. As you can see, folks, the pipe has carved through the ice like some sort of ancient alien's rock that you see. You know it's a mission complete when it looks like it laser carved through there. So, a job well done. You can pat your fucking self on the back. Tune in next time to see why my yard keeps erupting like the world's fucking smallest geyser. That could be shit water you're looking at.
The septic tank is right there.
I really don't. I'm gonna butcher the hell out of this just like the sword would do to you. But I think it's called the Zangetsu or something like that. I don't know. I don't watch anime. I just like those fucking swords. Anyways. Alright.